Yeah, so let us start our today's session, guys. But before starting today's session, let me review whatever we discussed in the last class. So these are the topics which I covered in the last session. Like if you take any Java program, if we have multiple methods are there in that particular Java program, how the method calls are going to be happen, like how it is going to redirect. Internally, it is going to use one data structure. So what is that data structure? Stack. What is the importance of that stack? Whenever we are calling some other method and that method in turns is calling some other method, means how that control flow is going to be happened inside a stack, I explained very clearly. And after that, we have seen what is mean by recursion, the definition. In that there are two types are there, like how many method calls are there based on that: finite recursion, infinite recursion. And if you want to stop any recursion, compulsory we have to use base condition. What is mean by that base condition? How to prepare that base condition? Then, so direct recursion, indirect recursion we have seen, and the tail recursion, non-tail recursion, these are very very important. So what is mean by tail recursion? After recursive method call, if we are not taking any statement, then it is called as tail recursion. After recursive call, if we are taking any statements, then it is called as non-tail recursion. I explained very clearly by taking one program what will happen if I am trying to call by using non-tail recursion, I mean tail recursion and then non-tail recursion. We have seen very clearly, sir, something like forward and reverse direction. Remember my words. Whenever in the interview they are giving any program, so to print the numbers in forward direction, reverse direction, wherever reverse concept came, then blindly you have to use which one? Recursion. Remember carefully. Then even for those applications, how to construct a tree diagram, how to construct a stack diagram, both I explained very clearly. But slowly I'm going to remove, slowly I'm going to remove these stack diagrams, because internally how that stack is created, you have a clear clarity. I will focus only on that tree diagram, how it is going to be mentioned visually. So, and this batch is DSA with Java. Duration of this batch is 45 days. That means 45 sessions will be there, but don't count from the demo class. And these classes will be maximum on weekdays, and maybe one or two sessions I am going to take on weekdays. And the fees for this batch is nothing but 3000, and the session timings are from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. and the syllabus, everything I explained very clearly in the last session. Sir, if any student, sir, this is my first class, like if any student is there, just in our YouTube channel we uploaded all the previous sessions. Like we started this batch on Monday, so from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 demos will be there inside this. One second, let me show you. Yeah, here. So Monday, Tuesday demos are available here. So today demo also they are going to upload in this same playlist only. Okay. So we will wind up this demo session maximum by today or tomorrow. So after that, regular classes will be there. Okay. Let me paste this in this particular beginning, and even I will share this in the chat window. Those who are attending, this is my first class. Like if anyone is there, just you can go through. Sir, if you are having any queries up to this, you can feel free to contact. So after that, I will continue. Any questions? Any questions?
No, sir.
Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, today we are going to see some applications on this recursion. One by one, we will see the applications. Maybe some applications are very simple, some applications are complex. Let me cover one by one. So, the applications on recursion, we will see. One second. So let me start applications. The first program which I'm going to cover here is we need to fetch. Okay, we need to fetch characters from the given string. They have given a string. We need to fetch the characters one by one from the given string in reverse direction. In reverse direction, sir, I want to print this in reverse direction. And after this, so we will see in forward direction how to print. So reverse or backward, any word we can use. So first we will see how to print those characters in reverse direction. After covering this application, same application, if you interchange, you will get in forward direction. Let us see these two applications now, sir. So for this, I am taking one simple Java program. Let us give the class name as a test. And I am saving the program inside a test folder. Now you can see. So I want to extract the characters, right? I'm defining one method. The name of the method is nothing but method only. So the string which I'm giving is abcd, and compulsory we need to give additional parameter. What is the additional parameter is the length of the string I am going to pass. Anyone tell me what is the length of the string whatever we passed? Please confirm.
Three,
Yes, what is the length?
three.
What is the length? 4. How many characters are there? 4 characters are there. A, B, C, D. Total how many characters are there? 4 characters. But I will give like 4 minus 1. I think immediately you understood why I have passed 4 minus 1. Why means whenever we are printing, sir, first parameter I will consider as a string. Second parameter I will consider as nothing but what? Index. Okay, because if a string is having 4 characters means what is the last character location? 4 minus 1, 3, third location, second location, first location, 0th location. So whenever minus 1 index came, we have to stop. That is the base condition, right? Sir, can I use the word if the value of index is less than 0? Can you please stop this process? Like that I'm taking. Whenever the index value, whatever we have given, if it is less than 0, then simply we are going to stop this recursion process. Otherwise, what we have to do, sir, system.out.print of s dot char at of index. Like that I am taking. Sir, after doing this, again I am calling the method by passing the string and index minus 1. But don't worry, if I am showing this with the help of a diagram, then you can understand well. Slowly you can able to develop the logic, sir. Listen carefully. See, first there is a method which is having the string as ABCD. Okay, what is the index value that initially we passed? 3. Now, what is the first method called? Sir, it is checking is index is less than 0. No, sir. Then print the character. What is the character present at third location? 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will print D. So in the output, the first character what we are getting is nothing but what? D. After that, what will happen? We are calling the same method by passing the same string. We are not disturbing the string. we are passing the same string. And what is the updation, sir? Instead of index, I am taking index minus 1. If you take index minus 1, what will happen? So 3 minus 1 will become 2, like that we have. So this is the first method call what is going to be happen. Any queries guys up to this? Please confirm. Clear?
Yes, sir, all clear.
Everyone please respond. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Now still it will continue, right? Yes. How many times it will continue? Until the value of index is -1. Now for this what will happen? Sir, there are two instructions are there. What is the first instruction? It will print the character present at second location. 0, 1, 2. In second location we have C. That C is going to be printed. Now what will happen, sir? We are going to call another method by passing same ABCD as the input. And what will be the next parameter? 1. Sir, now what will happen? One more time it is going to run. The character present at first location, it will print. So after that, we are calling again by passing this ABCD and your index value will become 0. Sir, is it less than 0? No. Then again it will print the character A, and after that what will happen? We are going to call the same method by passing ABCD, and then sir your value will become -1. So because index -1, right? Whenever -1 came, can I say it is going to stop this expansion? Yes. Why? Because base condition satisfied. Like that, this is the flow what is going to be happen. So what is the output that we are going to get? Sir, DCBA. Sir, can you please check really is this output is coming or not? I have a bigger doubt. Let us run. So I'm opening the command prompt. Let us move to the location. So after this, compile the Java program. The program compiles fine. And if you run the program, you can see the output what we are going to get is DCBA. That's all. Sir, successfully we fetched the characters from last. So whenever there is a scenario for reverse, then better to go for this code. I hope everyone understood the scenario. Do you have any queries in this? Please confirm.
So can you show the stack representation, sir?
Sir, stack you can draw, sir, because it is easy only, right? So in the stack, what will happen? First stack will be created. So first main method is going to be called. Again, main method is calling another method by passing ABCD as the input, comma 3. Then again method ABCD, comma, so 2. Again same method ABCD, comma 1. So again the same method ABCD, comma 0. So again same method ABCD, comma -1. Whenever -1 came, it will restrict, it will stop. So it will remove this and it will come back. But there is no instructions, right? That's why it will delete, it will come back. So in the back end process, nothing is going to be happen. So in the forward direction, we are printing, right? In the forward direction, if you are printing, the characters DCBA will be printed here. Whenever you are writing after this, then what will happen? ABCD will be printed here. Have you observed? This process is called as backtracking. This process is called as backtracking. This one is a normal recursion. Clear everyone? Please confirm.
So suppose if there is two more lines, then
Where?
this will be the backtracking.
Yes, that is the backtracking. But if you take dummy lines, it won't be backtracking. There should be some parameters. Anyway, that backtracking separate chapter is there. There I will show you how it is going to be happen. Because if you take any statement, it is not backtracking. Because that statement will be printed, that's all. But I am telling that the process is called as backtracking. Okay. Sir, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, everyone, please return. Clear up to this.
Yes. Yes.
Right. So now what is the next application? Continuation is there. So what is that continuation? Sir, we have to print, we have to fetch the characters from the given string in which direction? Sir, forward direction. That means in the normal direction I want to print. Very simple. Just what you need to do, you have to remove this line and try to take here. Except that nothing, sir. So if you want, first I will execute the code. I am trying to compile the program and I am executing. You can see it is printing ABCD. This is nothing but output. Sir, what is a diagram for this means? If you want, just matter of 1 or 2 minutes, have a look once. See, first we are going to call by passing ABCD as the input. And what is the index value that we passed initially? 3. Sir, is it printing anything? No, it is keep on calling the method only. So after method call, it will be there. In the method call, what we are doing? Sir, ABCD, comma 2. For this, 2 more method calls. First time, ABCD, comma 1. Now what will happen? Again, 2 more statements. So ABCD, comma 0. Again, what will happen? 2 more statements. ABCD, comma -1. Whenever we are getting -1, it will stop. Further, it won't execute. Now observe. So is there any pending instruction? Yes. So it will come back. In this case, what is the value here? 0, right? For 0, what is the character present? Sir, which is nothing but A. It will print first A. Then at the first location B. So while coming back, it is executing. Okay. And here it will print C. And here it will print D. The order is reverse. So this is nothing but output what we are getting. So that diagram, how I am drawing, how it is happening, if you understood any kind of recursion program, you can able to build. Clear, guys? Everyone, please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any queries?
Sir,
Hmm.
when index number is 0, then it should print A, no, sir?
If an index is
0, then it should print A, no, sir?
it is
Yes,
printing. Yes.
In the previous one, you have written that at -1, it's printing in method call.
Sir, here you can see this is the method call, right?
Yes, sir.
That expansion is this one.
Yes, sir.
After stopping, it will come back. Here, what is the value of this?
Okay.
0, right?
0.
For this. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So,
Okay.
same tree, but a bit different approach. Different kind of tree I want to draw. So by taking some other example, what is that example is, I think you know very well about Fibonacci sequence. I think everyone knows about this sequence. Anyone tell me what is the first number in the Fibonacci sequence?
0 and 1.
0. Next number is 1. How the next number is calculated? By adding previous
No.
2 number. That is 1. Next 2. Next 3, 5, 8. Sir, is there any pattern or not? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is a pattern. Can I say for any number n, if you want to calculate Fibonacci for that particular number, can I say it is a sum of previous 2 numbers? Is this formula is okay?
Yes.
Okay, correct. So now I want to write a program for that. Okay, so my program is going to return some value. That's why I am taking fib as the function. Assume that its value is a 6. I want to find out sixth Fibonacci number. Sir, what is the sixth Fibonacci number? Let me write some Fibonacci numbers up to this. So this is nothing but 0th Fibonacci, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. What is the sixth Fibonacci number? 8. My expected output is 8. For this, what we need to do? We have to write a method with name fib, taking one integer parameter. We need to write a program in such a way that it should print the value 8. Clear, guys? If the skeleton is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now, so how to do that? Can I write a direct formula like fib of n minus 1 plus fib of n minus 2? Is the formula is correct?
Yes.
Now the problem is base condition. What is the base condition? Whenever we are getting n is equal to 0, return 0. So if the value of n is equal to 0, return 0. Sir, one base condition is not okay. One more base condition we have to write. What is that? If n is equal to 1, return 1. Sir, we can combine this. Why? Because if n is equal to 0, return 0. If n is equal to 1, return 1. If n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, return n. Okay, right. Sir, everyone understood these 3 lines?
Yes.
Seems to be very easy, but the main intention is you need to understand the diagram. Because if you are clear with the diagram, these kind of problems you can solve any number of times. So how the diagrammatic representation for this? Let me show you. Sir, first we are going to call Fibonacci of which number we are calling 6. Can I say for these 2 method calls will be there? What is the first method call? Fibonacci of 6 minus 1, which is nothing but 5. So Fibonacci of 6 minus 2, which is nothing but 4. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Now for Fibonacci of 5, again 2 times. For Fibonacci of 4, again 2 times. This one is what? F of 5 minus 1, that is 4. F of 5 minus 2, which is nothing but 3. Again this one, 4 minus 1, 3, and 4 minus 2, which is nothing but 2. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Now what will happen for f of 4? Again, it will be expanded for f of 3 and f of 2. For f of 3, it will be expanded for f of 2 and f of 1. For this f of 3 also, so f of 2 and f of 1. For this f of 2, what will happen? Sir, f of 1 and f of 0. Again for this f of 3, it will come for f of 2 and f of 1. For this f of 2, f of 1 and f of 0. For this also f of 1 and f of 0. For this also f of 1 and f of 0. Until getting either 0 or 1, you have to expand. This is the tree diagram, sir. You should aware. Clear up to this? Please confirm.
Yes.
For calculating Fibonacci of sixth number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 method calls approximately. Array, for calculating small thing, 25 calculations, 25 methods we are calling. So sometimes it is a burden. Why? Because if you observe closely, already we calculated f of 3. Again we are calculating 2 times. we can eliminate this, right? This is called as dynamic programming. Dynamic programming means what? In the recursion, there is a bigger problem, like the calculated value unnecessarily we are calculating. How to solve that? For that, we should go for dynamic programming. Sir, you understood why dynamic programming concept is needed? Please confirm. If you want just one small program, I want to show you. What is that program is? Yeah, you can see. In general, sir, for method, if you want to find out the 10th Fibonacci number, how many method calls we are taking? 177 method calls. Same thing, if I use a Fibonacci number for finding 10th Fibonacci number, if I use a DP, dynamic programming, how many method calls we are doing? 19. You can see how much drastically we reduced the number of calls. That is the concept of DP. Sir, up to this, any queries? Sir, everyone clear?
Yes.
Right. Sir, after this, how we are getting 8? Sir, for f of 1, how much value it will return? 1. For f of 0, 0. 0 plus 1, it will return 1. It will return 1 because it is 1. 1 plus 1, it will return 2. It will return 1, it will return 0. 0 plus 1, 1. It is going to return 3 because these two addition. And this one 1 and this one 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So it is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So 3 plus 2, it will return 5. This side 1, 0, adding 1. So 1, 1 plus 1, 2. And here 1, 0, addition is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 3, it will return 8. How we are getting 8? Is it clear, friends?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
please confirm everyone. Clear? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, how did you got that 7th line, sir?
Sir, from the definition of recursion, I mean from the definition of Fibonacci sequence, every Fibonacci number is a sum of its previous two numbers. Okay? Suppose if you take any number n, what is its previous two numbers? It is n minus 1, it is n minus 2, correct? Huh?
Okay, sir. Yeah,
These two we are adding.
okay, sir.
Right. Let us execute and check really is 8 is coming or not. Array, 1 second. Java C test.java. The program compiles when Java space test. You can see the output what we are getting is 8. Perfectly it is working. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this? Any queries?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right. So now I want to do one more program. So what is that program is? Fourth program. See, I want to convert decimal to binary. This is my requirement. I have one decimal number is there. My requirement is I need binary number for that. For by using which method? By using recursion, I want to implement this code. By using recursion, I want to implement this code. Sir, how we can able to do that? Sir, very simple. Here I am going to take that method name as bin. That method name as a bin. That is binary. Anyway, I will write code later. Listen. Sir, if I am calling bin of 6, what is a binary equivalent for this? 110. Correct, sir? You have to tell. I don't know. Is it correct? Binary equivalent of decimal
Yes.
number 6.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it 110? Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Let us see how it is going to be evaluated. Sir, first step, if the number is equal to 0, what is its decimal binary equivalent? 0, correct? This is the base condition. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yes, sir.
next we have to construct a formula. Sir, if you want to construct a formula, you need some pattern. First, let me check by taking some examples. See, if you take a number 6, we have to divide with 2. Sir, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 0. Then, sir, 2 1s are 1. Sorry, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1. Can I say this is the number what we are getting? Correct? Correct, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Observe carefully. I am marking with red color. How to get these values, sir? If I do the given number percentage 2, I will get the value. Correct? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then one more logic. Sir, how you are going to combine this? Have you observed? It is at 0th position. It is at 10th position, 100th position, correct? Can I say this one we have to add by multiplying 10 into the previous result, whatever we got. Am I right?
Yes.
That's all. So we have to written a formula for this. Return, what is the formula? N percentage 2 plus bin binary of n by 2, because we have to divide that number. While doing this, please multiply with the 10 and then 2. That's all. So please multiply with the 10 and then multiply. 1 second. Right. Now how it is going to work? I will take one more number and I will show you. Observe carefully. Suppose consider n is equal to same number I am taking 6. My expected output is 110. Sir, first time we are calling binary function by passing the number as a 6. So what will happen? There are two instructions. First one is n percentage 2. Sir, what is 6 percentage 2? 0 plus 10 into what will happen? Sir, binary of 6 by 2, which is nothing but 3. Do you have any query in this line? Please confirm. Read that line carefully and see the diagram. Do you have any query in that line?
No, it's fine, sir.
Now, can I say again this process will be repeated? Am I right? For which one? For b is equal to 3. Tell me, sir, what it will return? Now n is equal to what? 3. Sir, 3 percentage 2. What is 3 percentage 2? Tell me, guys.
1.
1. 1 plus again 10 into. Now tell me, b of which one?
3.
3 by 2. What is the 3 by 2 value? 1. 1.
1.
Again for b of 1, 1 percentage 2 value is what? 1, right? 1 plus again 10 into what will be the last line? B of 0. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me for b of 0, I am marking in red color. Which value it will return? Base
0.
condition 0. Now tell me 10 into 0. What is the value, sir?
0.
0. 0 plus 1. Can I say this value will become 1? Correct? Because whatever we calculated here, it is going to return. Am I right?
Yes.
Now tell me 1 into 10. What is the value? 10. 10 plus 1. What is this total value, sir? 11. That 11 it will return. Am I right?
Yes.
Now tell me 11 into 10. 110 now. So 110 plus 0. What is the return value?
110.
Is it expected output is correct?
Yes.
Sir, everyone got clarity?
Yes.
That's all, friends. Now let me check really is it working or not. Now have a look once. 110. Sir, can you please print for all numbers? For integer I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. So I will print the number I followed by some tab space and a binary of I, so that we can see the list of binary numbers from 0 to 10. Check, friends, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
This is the way how to implement recursion. So really in the real time we are using these kind of things, no sir, but how to implement the logics you need to understand, right? That's why, sir, now my scenario is I want to do the same program, but in this case decimal to octal I want to convert. What we need to do, sir? If you want to convert to octal, tell me what modification you need to do. What is the base of octal, sir?
8.
8. N percentage 8, n
8.
by 8. That's all right. Now check really is it working or not. With your knowledge you have to tell. Sir, is it correct?
Yes.
That's all. Sir, is it possible to convert decimal to hexadecimal? No. Because in the hexadecimal we have different notations like alphabets and all will come, right? That's why we can't do that. Okay. Clear, guys, up to this, everyone? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's all, friends. That is about
Sir,
today's session.
can you please again tell us about the formula, how you can create?
Sir, it is very simple, sir. What I am doing here is, if you take any number, so for example, if you take a number called 9, how you are going to convert it to octal? The basic principle is you have to divide with 8. Why? Because base is 8. 8 ones are 8. What is the remainder? 1. So if you take this one, 11 is the result for that. So how you are considering 11? Because it is 1, it is 1. How you can combine? So if you multiply with a 10, you will get. That is this one we need to take because that is the first calculated value into 1. It will become 10. For this, we need to add this one, 1. Whatever result you are getting, that is the final. Suppose if anywhere other denomination is there, suppose here 2 is there, 2, 1, 1. How to get this one? Again multiply this 11 with a 10. Add 2. Have you observed? 110 plus 2, which is nothing but 112. It is a number theory, sir. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So hope you enjoyed the session. So tomorrow again we are going to continue. So only few students paid the fee. I request everyone please start make the payments. Maybe tomorrow is the last demo session. From Friday onwards we will have our regular classes. Regular classes in the sense I will continue these applications. Okay. Any
Sir,
queries?
will you be continuing from this? From regular class, you'll be starting from the very starting topic.
No, 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 sir. First, I will complete this recursion. After that, I will go for the fundamentals.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. We have 25 applications are there. Already 5 covered. Remaining 20 applications we will see. Some are small, some are medium level like that. After that only I will go for the introduction part.
Okay.
Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes.
I have one. Any logic-based programming you will start, sir? After that, it's after data structure.
Yeah, I will start, sir. I will inform you. Rahul,
Yeah,
just
sure.
ping me personally after joining this course. I will give the details. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Right. Thank you. See you in the tomorrow's class.
Yes. Thank you, sir.